Okay, y'all, I don't know how full the card is. It smells so good in here. I have this candle right here. Let me move it over a little so you can see it. Also, I want to make sure the heat doesn't get too much of that candle. I need to move it, but it was just for filming, to be honest with you. But this is Pumpkin Clove from Bath and Body Works, y'all. It is the best smell. I think it's from last year though, so that means you probably couldn't find it this year because they changed too much, in my opinion. I can't find any of my Old Faithfuls, but anyway, for this time of year, there's 2 bags that I got. Y'all, this will kind of be like a part 2. I just got a shipment from UPS, and they had some Brahmins I ordered. I think I'm not keeping this one right now. I think the color's too much for me. Matter of fact, I can tell you right now, I know it is. Some of you would probably love this. I do have a Coach pumpkin colored bag over here. And I thought that I would get a nice brighter orange, but I can tell you right now this is too bright of an orange for me. But I do love the style. The name of the style is Medium Asher. That's the side. It's a tote, and it's orange potion. Now, the potion bags are the ones that have almost like an oil finish. Let me show you, because this is pink potion. Okay, see the oily finish? Not oily, but you know it has kind of the blue opalescent or Aurora Borealis kind of coloring to it. That's like a color wash over this hot pink. So it's the blues come out. Well, this is the orange potion. So see that kind of shimmery, oily finish look again? And these are beautiful. I love these colors. I love hot pink and orange together, especially when it's a true deep hot pink. So I really do love these together. But I feel like to carry this by itself is too much for me. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I do have another medium Asher. Actually, I have 2 others. One was a gift, and I'll show you that. They're right here, so let me move this. This one was a gift from a very dear friend of mine, Paula. And it's multiple colors. So when this is to me more summery. But you could, and again, it's got a metallic silver over these kind of soft colors. They're not pastel really, but they're just soft colors. Blue, lavender, teal, kind of a banana yellow, and pinky peach. So, and it's this same tote style with the Brahmin tassel and tag. And it's just an open style. But I just feel like this color is too yellowy for me. I don't think I'll use it. So I'm not going to even further go into like go show you the insides of it, but I will show you a medium Asher so you can see. I'm not going to open this any further just so I can return it. Y'all tell me, what do you think? Is that a color you would use? I think just because I'm so pale, this would wash me out, to be honest. I just think if you have a really good tan or have dark skin and you have clothes like browns and yellows and blue, deep royal blues and stuff like that, this could be really pretty, I think. It's just, I don't think it's for me personally. My neighbor and her corgis are pooing in my front yard, but it's okay with me. She'll pick it up. But, and I would prefer, I hate to see somebody who walks their dogs on pavement when it's hot. It's like, and it's not that hot right now, but still, it really makes me angry. I'm like, you take your shoes off, take off your tennis shoes, and you walk on that hot pavement and see if your dog can handle that. I have actually said to someone before, because he was running his dog in traffic. He had no shirt on. His shorts looked like men's briefs underwear. And so he was all, but his dog was like a Weimaraner. They're actually very delicate dogs. And running on that hot tar pavement, I was like, okay. I literally pulled back around, singled up and said, hey, sir, I don't mean to tell you, I know you're a runner and you need to keep running, but your dog's feet cannot take the heat of this. Unless you want to take your tennis shoes off and see how that feels, please get your dog off this pavement. And people were like, what's she doing? I don't care. Anyway, sorry. All right, so this is another medium Asher, and I'll just show you because they are great bags. This is the pomegranate color, by the way. It's got the pouch on the outside for your cell phone, which I love. And then it's just a big open place. It's got a zipper here. On this side, it's got the other zipper, which not all styles do that. I just showed you the Priscilla, and it does too. This is a jewelry pouch. And I guess because, like, today I'm going to be going for physical therapy for my neck, and I do always forget to take my jewelry off. And so I can take it off right there and put it in here, zip it shut till I get back home. So I also like to put my my car keys. I just have my key fob and my house key on it, so it fits in there good. But there's 2 pockets here, and I did buy this is one of the card case wallets. So these are not as expensive, by the way, as the Addy, which I just showed you. These are full-size wallets. And this one's like $145. It's kind of expensive for a wallet, but I only did it because I wanted it to match this perfectly. And I'm glad I did that. I just did an unboxing of that. But you can see this is just a card case. And what I like about it is to make sure that the cards don't fall out. It's got this little flap that you can snap. And it does have a zipper for people who like coins. Again, I put in there my Oral-B toothpick things and my little packaged glasses wipes. So here is another one. We're just going to keep going. So I'll show you what a medium Asher looks like, so I don't have to open that. This other is another one I may not keep. Both of these may go back. And I even told them when I was on the phone because they gave me a discount. Because I can never get it to do right online to get the discount applied. But so this is a suede. And I've never, let me angle this down a little more, y'all. I've never done a suede with Brahmin that I can think of. I don't think I have. Anyway, so interesting, but I wanted to see if this smooth leather, because it's also got this Sherpa, which, you know, it's not like I live in ski land, but I like to think I do, because I hate our summer heat here. But I am going to have to take this off the handles. You can always return it as long as you don't take the tag off. But I'm going to take off just this front handle to see, do I like this? And I think I really do, y'all. In the picture online, this had a little bit more of, and I don't know what it's looking like on camera, but it looked like it had more of a pink hue to it. And I thought, well, you know, a taupey hue to this wouldn't look bad, but this is close enough. It's monochromatic enough that it matches the suede. The suede is on this side, it's quilted with just a plain quilt design in the middle of the diamond quilt. But here it's a braided quilt, and the stitchery is really interesting. It's almost like it's perforated, y'all. But it's not. I'm going to get real close and then pull back so that it will focus. I'm going to put it at an angle so you can see. Do you see the little points of light coming out of that? There's stitches, just like the stitching on this. So it's very interesting. There's the Brahmin logo, the Brahmin tag. And then on this side, it's just straight suede, and it's a big all the way across the back. Look at this. All the way across pocket. So I love that. I mean, you could stick your cell phone in there and your keys. If you see this, what's that mean? It's going to be a shoulder strap, because you only put your shoulder strap to what's built for the purse to take it. So let's open this. This is a Marissa, by the way. And I'll show you another Marissa so that you can get a feeling for, well, what's a Marissa? Well, Marissa's a more, see how that one right there, that's a Finley. This is, and it's more small on the top, big on the bottom. Sort of like the Priscilla, but it doesn't have the pieces that wing out on the side. This is a Marissa. It's more squared off. It's a rectangle, but it's more squared off. And it's a little deeper. Do you see how wide that is? And I had just done a unboxing of this not too long ago. So that's a Marissa. And I do like them. So I looked at this back when I bought that, and I thought, no, I'm not going to get that too. But I kept going back to it, and I thought, you know, I like the style. Let's look inside. Of course, we already know what one looks like inside. And y'all, I'm thinking this is going to be a keeper. I really am thinking. Okay, so here's the strap, and it's the leather. It's the leather instead of the quilt. That's great. That'll be perfect. And what do? You attach this on these. I'll just go ahead and break that open. You attach this on the places that it is made to attach these. Because if you don't, if you attach it, say, to like the handle, and you put that right on the handle, y'all, it will start pulling the handles, and they can pull off or get damaged. So, you know, the handbag, if it's a quality handbag, should have a place for it that has been double stitched. You can see there, they've double stitched that on the inside and the out, so that makes that very, very, very sturdy. Okay, and look, this hangs at the perfect level for me. Perfect. And how fun for winter. Now that's a winter-only bag, but I have some summer-only bags. Spring and fall can blend in, and some winter colors can. This, because of the finish, this is definitely for cold days. And I love it. But I got to tell you, the smell of suede is very high quality too. I mean, for these bags, I mean, you pay less than you would pay for a high-end name brand like Chanel, Dior, Celine, you know, who else am I thinking here? Cindy, um, all those types. The Brahmins and the coaches, which I love the old coaches. I do not like any of the new coaches. I'm sorry I have to say, but I love my old coaches. That's why I've held on to them, and they'll be in the spotlight at some point. But Brahmins also, they're in that $200 to $400 range where it's a luxury bag, but you're not paying thousands. You're not even paying upper hundreds. But this is because it's obviously a specialty finish. It was more. Let me see how much more. It says one of a kind, $4.55. So it was $50 more because usually these bags are around 400, $4.15 like that. But you know, I've got these Duxbury's like this. Now this is a multi, but this was like 300 because it was a multi years ago. But the Duxbury's around 245, and if there's a specialty finish, maybe pushes 300. And that's a nice bag. Like this Duxbury, that was 245, I think. So I mean, that's a really, for the quality of these bags, I think it's great. So what's inside? I've in my red one that I just got. You've seen it, but I am going to go ahead and pull this out. Now I will say this stuffing because it's not hard leather, and I will want to stuff this. And it did come with its Brahmin dust bag, so I will stuff that and put it back in. It also came with these to keep moisture out. If you keep these in your bag, you need to put them in a baggie or something and leave the baggie open because these are so dangerous, y'all. If a child or an animal gets this, it's silica gel, so it keeps moisture away, but if you ate that, it could kill you. So this one, it has 2 pin places, 2 pockets, and 1 zipper. So that's the bag. What do y'all think? I think I'm keeping this one, but I'm going to return the orange potion medium asher. So anyway, that's it. And I hope y'all enjoyed these unboxings, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye!